Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out in St. Anne and we're giving you a tour of Richmond Estate. Now this development is phase 7 and it's called the Crest. Now Richmond Estate is by far the #1 development in Jamaica. Built in St. Anne, out by Richmond, it set a new standard for developments in Jamaica. And we've always said that Draxhall is based off this model. It's just that Draxhall went for numbers. In other words, a development in Draxhall might have a thousand homes. So they're not as spaced out or as nice as Richmond. But Richmond set the standard. Now, somebody mentioned that we didn't show all 7 of the Richmond Estate models. So we are going to be doing that. We've shown phase 1 numerous times. This is phase 7, which is called the Crest. Now this is the most expensive development at Richmond. This is the top end development. The houses are bigger, more space. This is, I guess you could say, the most expensive development at Richmond. So we're going to give you an update as to what's happening here. And all 7 phases are finished and sold out. These homes sell out before they even start building them. On Jamaica's north coast, residential development is evolving, and the Crest at Richmond Estate is a clear example of that change. Located in St. Anne, just outside Ocho Rios, the Crest represents a more refined phase of one of Jamaica's most successful gated communities. Built as a premium enclave, the Crest offers modern home designs, open-plan layouts, and upgraded finishes that reflects today's lifestyle needs. It is quieter, more polished, and more intentional than earlier phases of Richmond, appealing to families, professionals, and returning residents. Residents benefit from 24-hour security, strong infrastructure, and access to Richmond's full suite of amenities, including a clubhouse, swimming pool, gym, green spaces, and private beach access at Bengal Beach, a feature that gives everyday living a resort-like feel. The Crest also sits in a parish experiencing rapid growth, with hotels, tourism, and supporting industries expanding across St. Anne. Demand for well-planned housing continues to rise, strengthening long-term value. More than just housing, the Crest reflects a shift towards secure, lifestyle-focused communities in Jamaica, where comfort, planning, and quality of life come first. Alright guys, that's the end of the update. Enjoy the rest of the tour and let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.